My test patch looks awesome, shows up the woodwork beautifully versus here, which is looking good but has just got a slight cloud to it. So this is going to be really hard to show you on video, but shine versus slightly cloudy, I've gone the shine, and I'm feeling pretty happy with the effect of the board. I've done a test patch. I'll put it on so you can see the polishing. I managed to, my awesome neighbor Jess, he's got a big old disc polisher from years ago. He used to do surfboards. Paid $10 for this lamb's wool buffer. So we're kind of using a section to move that polish around and then buff it, and we'll see how we go. Okay. Already got some on the board. Looking pretty amazing, but I think I should find an apron because I'm getting waxy.